Sairam, dear children, welcome back with the second part of our video, Administration of the State. Before I start explanation, let's recall Sai. Chant 3 times Om with me. Om. 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 Om Sai Ram. So children, we have learned about legislative assembly, that governor appoints chief minister and chief minister chooses council of minister, and both are appointed by the governor of the state. We have learned about the MLAs, okay, and about the constituencies from which they are elected and from which they contest the election, okay. So and I have told you that the Legislative Assembly of Gujarat is in the Vitthal Bhai Patel Vidhan Sabha Grah. Meets in Vitthal Bhai Patel Vidhan Sabha Grah. So children, now we have to learn about we have left yes, from here. From governor we have to study, okay. So what did government do and what is the role of government? Each state has a governor. He or she is appointed by the president for 5 years. Okay, governor in each state, one governor is there, and a person can be governor of 2 or more states. Okay, the same person can be governor of 2 or more states. Okay, she is appointed by the president for 5 years after consulting the prime minister. Who appoints the governor? President appoints the governor for 5 years after consulting from the prime minister. Means on prime minister advice, president choose the governor, okay, or indirectly it is prime minister's choice whom he want to appoint governor, okay. The governor is the constitutional head of the state. So constitutional head of the state is governor, and who is the constitutional head of the whole country? President, okay. Same as the president is the nominal head of the country, same as governor is the nominal head of the state, and the entire administration is carried out in his or her name. And the administration is carried out on his or her name means his name is used for the administration, and everything is done on the choice or consultation of chief minister, okay. The governor ensures the state government functions according to the constitution. What did government checks? Government checks that the state government chief minister and his council of minister works according to the constitution. What are the function of governor? So the function of governors are as follow. First function, he invites the leader of the majority party to form the government. Those party or the party which get the more MLAs win, and they call the party and choose and ask them to form their government, okay. And the party member choose one member to be their chief minister, and the government appoint him as the chief minister, and the chief minister choose his council of minister, and the governor appoint them also, okay. So administers the oath of loyalty to the constitution and of the secrecy. Means governor gave them oath. Who gave them oath? जो भी शपथ ग्रहण होती है, आपने देखा होगा ऑन द न्यूज़ चैनल्स, देयर इज oath taking ceremony is there for the chief minister, prime minister and the council of ministers. So governor or president do this ceremony completed. For prime minister, president give them the oath, and for chief minister, governor do this work, okay. Calls the legislative assembly in session and also announce its adjournment. What did the governor do? He calls the legislative assembly in a session and announce its adjournment. Means for the functioning of the what are the functioning of legislative assembly, only governor tells them, and he calls the session and the meeting for the all the members of legislative assembly. Maybe they are the majority party or maybe they are from the opposition party. Majority party means the winning party. Okay, every bill passed by the state legislature has to receive the governor's assent. Governor's assent means governor's agreement, that governor is agree on this bill that is passed by the state legislature. Assent means yes. Okay, however, money bills require his prior approval, and if the state legislature is taking a money bill or passing a money bill, then before passing it in state legislature, the council of minister has to approve, or the chief minister has to approve it from the governor. Okay, so in money bills the approval is require prior means before. Okay, a bill undergoes 3 readings in the legislative assembly before it is passed. A bill, what is a bill? A act before passed in the assembly is known as bill, and this bill is read 3 times in the assembly. Means for the first time it is sent to the governor, and then after the 3 reading it sent to the governor, and if governor give his assent, then it becomes law. Okay, after 3 readings it sent to governor. If a bill is not signed by the governor and it is sent to the Vidhan Sabha with his suggestion, then the MLAs have to debate on his suggestions. If the governor don't sign the bill and send it to the Vidhan Sabha with his suggestions, if the governor wants some changes in the bill or some suggestion he want to give, then it is sent back to the Vidhan Sabha, and the MLAs present in the Vidhan Sabha from both parties, ruling and the opposition party, they have to debate on that bill, that these changes are made or not. The revised bill is sent back to the governor for his signature. Then they will revise it. Maybe it is sent as it is, but for once they have to revise it. Okay, and then the governor has to sign it. In an emergency, the governor can issue orders called ordinances. When there is an emergency in the state, then governor can issue order, then the government is resolved and only the governor's rule is there, and this is called as ordinance. Okay, and appoints the judges of all the courts that works under the high court. All the judges that works under high court are appointed by the governor. And what a last function that governor perform, he informs the president about the functioning of the state government. Okay, if the state government is working good or not according to the constitution or non-constitutionally, so everything is informed to the president by the governor. So the next point is chief minister. Chief minister is the head of the council of minister. Okay, all the minister in the council of the chief minister head them. Okay, a very important position in the state government. He has the important position. He is known as CM. Their post is called CM. The function of chief minister are as follows: allotting various portfolios to the different minister for the effective administration of the state. They allot the different ministry to the different minister, like agricultural ministry, then HRD ministry, then education ministry, then water ministry and electricity ministry. Everything is divided to the and given allotted to the different ministers, so that effective administration can be taken in the state. So calling for the meetings of the council of minister at regular interval. He calls meetings at regular interval and checks the council of minister works properly or not. Supervising the work of every minister and guiding them. And he supervise their work and guide them to do their work at their best. Informing the governor about the decision taken by the council of ministers. Chief minister informed the governor that what decision the council of minister has taken. For forming a new council of minister if necessary. Council of ministers can be resolved if the ministers are not working properly. They can be removed if any minister is suddenly or accidentally died, or if any minister gave his resignation, then new minister can be appointed. Okay. The Council of Ministry frames policies for allotted subjects. The subject allotted to the minister of the respected subject, they frame policies about them and execute them in the state, okay, with the help of the administrative executive, that are the officers. It also introduces the bill in the legislative assembly, and the Council of Minister introduce bills in the legislative ministry, and the finance minister of the state introduce the budget in the legislative assembly. Who introduced the state budget in the legislative assembly? The finance minister of the state. Okay, the work to be done and divided between the state and the central government. The state government function at the state level and the union government function at the national level. Okay, so what work is divided in state and central government? State government handles all the works at the state level, same as the union government handles the work at national level and took care of the all state governments are working properly or not. Okay, things to know: there are 29 states in India, including Delhi as a national capital, and there are 7 union territories. Now the scenario is changed. There is 28 states in India and 9 union territories. Okay. The difference between the state and central government is the area in which they function. There is the difference of area only. The central government works on the whole country and the state governor at the particular area of their state. Therefore, the responsibility of the state government is limited to the particular state. So the responsibility of the state government belongs to their state only. Gujarat government works for only the Gujarat state, and Rajasthan state government will work for Rajasthan, but the central government would take care of whole nation. 28 states and the 9 union territories all are comes under this central government. Okay, there are the function and the power of the state and central government are divided into 3 lists. The union list, totally handled by the central government; state list, handled by the state government; and concurrent list, the subjects comes under the concurrent list are decided and the functions are done by both the state and central government on their advices. Okay, and mostly the union government is the decision of union government is prioritized. Okay, प्रायोरिटी जो है कंकरेंट लिस्ट में किसको मिलती है? यूनियन गवर्नमेंट की डिसीजन को मिलती है. एंड स्टेट लिस्ट, सब्जेक्ट्स दैट आर इन स्टेट लिस्ट आर टोटली हैंडल्ड बाय स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड सब्जेक्ट्स इन यूनियन लिस्ट टोटली हैंडल्ड बाय यूनियन गवर्नमेंट. सो यूनियन लिस्ट, स्टेट लिस्ट एंड कंकरेंट लिस्ट, लेट्स स्टडी इट. The subject handed over to the union government are included in the union list. So first is census, relation with the foreign country. Census, the population counting is our census. Then second point is relation with foreign countries, that is also handled by union government. Then defense, finance and banking, election, formation of law for citizens, railway, telegraph, post, insurance service, sea, air, road, rail route, nuclear power, etc. All these subjects only union government can perform. Okay, then coming to the state list. The state list includes the health, agriculture, forest, local self government. Okay, what is included in it? Health, agriculture, forest, local and self. Okay, now the concurrent list, in which both the governments can work, state government or central government. Okay, the subjects comes under 47 subjects comes under this list. These are prevention of crime, revenue or tax, divorce, literacy, industry, employment, electricity, etc. are included in this list. Even the birth records, death records, everything comes under this list. Okay, this is all about the 3 lists. Then legislative assembly. What is the legislative assembly and what its function? Marina Imran and the other students of their school were excited about their trip to Gandhinagar, the capital of Gujarat, where they were going to see the legislative assembly. These students group went for the trip of legislative assembly. After the security check, they went upstairs, and after security checking they went to the upstairs, and there were arrangement made for the visitors from where they could see the grand hall downstairs. And there is a arrangement for visitors from the upside, they can see the grand hall of grand hall of the legislative assembly. Sitting arrangement of the members of legislative assembly was made in that meeting hall, and all the arrangement for the members are made there. On that day, current issue was to be discussed in legislative assembly. On the same day of the trip, a current issue is discussed in that legislative assembly. Usually in a legislative assembly, the MLAs can express their views during a question answer session. What MLAs do, they express their views, they express their ideas in a question answer session, and they can ask question and give suggestion. They can ask, means the opposition party can ask question to the majority party and give suggestion to make changes in the rules and bills. Okay, the member gives their feedback on the issue being discussed, and these members can give their feedback. Okay, both the members of the ruling party and the opposition party can give their suggestion and can give their feedback. Then the concerned minister answer the question and brief them measures being taken to solve the issue. And the concerned minister means the minister related to that issue on which they are the discussion is going on, that minister have to reply all the questions. Okay, so we often come across on television or in newspaper the decisions that are taken by the chief minister and other minister in order to run the government. And we have seen in a news that the chief minister has called a meeting in the legislative assembly, and these decisions are taken. And while taking a decision about anything, it is necessary to take the permission of MLAs. And when the chief minister take decision, he took permission from all the MLAs, means their advice, their assent, their votes. Okay, in a democracy, the MLAs can question the chief minister, and all the MLAs of the majority party and from the opposition party can ask chief minister questions about that topic. So they can even take decision regarding financial matters and decide on the expenditure to be done in the different area, and they can advise them about the financial matter and the expenditure made in the state. When the legislative assembly is any session, any of the MLA can ask question, and when the session going on and the meeting going on, any MLA can ask question to the chief minister. The speaker manages the assembly, and one require his or her permission before presenting anything, and the speaker of the assembly and one require his or her permission before presenting anything. Okay, the head of the legislative assembly gives the permission before anything is present in the assembly. If anyone is presenting any bill in assembly, he has to take permission from the speaker. Okay, speaker, who is the speaker? Speaker is the head of legislative assembly. So our chapter is completed, and question answer PDF I will send you soon, and very soon you will get the question answer PDF. So solve the question answer and be prepared for the exam unit test, and all the best children. Don't take it hectic, and learn it with full conscious mind, and take it easy. Okay, and this is a very easy chapters, and I have explained very well, and I hope you will like it. And if you don't understand any concept, then watch the video 2 to 3 times, and then also if you are facing any kind of problem, you can call me or text me. Thank you. Sai Ram.